Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Larry. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Today's video is about this look. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below, click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video.
1, 2, 3, funky. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So I did my brows off camera. To start off, I'll be using the Benye Clone White as my eyeshadow base. This is my first shade, and that is the same palette I used in my previous video. I'll leave the name down the description box. So with this shade, I'm concentrating that in my crease. Yes, I'll just concentrate that in my crease as I'm doing. So my next shade is this purple shade, and that goes in my crease as well. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below and share the video if you can. This video is very easy to do. I mean, it's beginner friendly. Yeah. So now I'm going back with the first shade to further blend. Yes, what I did was go in back and forth with the shade, with the colors. Yeah, so just watch and I hope you enjoy the video. So I went back with the Benye Clone White as well. I did not cut my crease, but I just applied it as my base as well, so that my next shade will pop. Yes. So my next shade is this silver shade. Yes. As I said earlier, I'll be going in back and forth with the colors. I went back with the purple shade I used earlier on again to further blend. I don't want any demarcation between both shades, but I kind of extended it on top of the silver shade a little. Yes. And my last shade is this pretty shade, and I apply it on top of the silver shade. Yes, and you see how pretty that looked. I so love the eyeshadow. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below and click on notification bell as well. Yes. So I went ahead and applied my primer, which is the Pond's primer. Yes, Pond's mattifying primer. I forgot the name. That's the Pond's mattifying primer. And my foundation is from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360, which is mocha. So I blended my foundation off camera. To highlight, I'll be using the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso and Fawn. So I went ahead with the Espresso first and applied the Fawn later on. So I went ahead and applied my contour, which is the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony. Yes, I'm still adjusting with my setup. My setup is a mess, but I think this video is far better than the other one, the previous one I posted, because that was another story altogether. But I pray with time everything will be normal. I mean, everything will be back to normal. Yes. Yes, so to set the places where I highlighted, I'll be using my Flormar Cosmetics loose powder in the shade Bronze Sand to set the places where I highlighted. And I use my Zikel Cosmetics powder palette to set the places where I contoured, as well as my entire face. Yes. So I'm using this Karite. Is it Karite? I'm always having it. Oh, I beg, I don't know the name. I'll leave it down in the description box. So I use the translucent powder in the Zikel palette to further set my face. I mean, bake my face. My highlighter is from the from Catrice. I don't know why I'm talking fast. Catrice Cosmetics, the Ultimate Chrome Highlighter. Yes. I have forgotten the name of the lipstick I use. I will leave it down in the description box as well. Yes. So this has been my first time trying out dramatic lashes. Yes, I ordered these lashes online. When it came, it was super long. So I was like, let me try it on. It wasn't bad, but you know, first time for everything. It wasn't, I love the way it came out, but okay, it was beautiful. I was in love with it because it gave me a different look altogether. If you have, even though I use dramatic lashes, but not this kind of dramatic. Yes. And one thing I did, I applied my lashes off camera and I forgot to apply my liner. So the lashes being long, it was very hectic applying my liner because the lashes were super long. So guys, this is my final look. Yes, this is my final look. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Yes, kindly subscribe down below. Click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. I mean, that's all, right? Yes. And comment down below what you think about the look. Yes, you see how dramatic the lashes are. They were super dramatic. Whoa. But it was pretty. Yeah, so pretty.